Are you tired of staring at laggy screens and dropping frames when you just want to game, but you don't have thousands to drop on a rig? You don't have to break the bank to get competitive performance, provided you know exactly which corners to cut and which traps to avoid. Today, I am taking you through the top 7 pre-built gaming PCs in this competitive price bracket, counting down from the absolute bottom of the barrel to the undisputed champion. Stick around for the number 1 spot, because it delivers a level of performance that legitimately challenges custom-built rigs. 7. STGAubron Ryzen 3 3200 Gaming PC Desktop. It comes bundled with a bunch of flashy RGB accessories, which immediately made me suspicious about where the budget actually went. When you pull it out of the box, the case looks decent enough from a distance, but the plastic front panel and flimsy side window quickly reveal its extreme budget nature. Getting into the system itself, the computing power relies on an AMD Ryzen 3 3200G processor. While this was a capable budget chip years ago, trying to run a modern operating system alongside Discord and a game client pushes this quad-core CPU to its absolute breaking point. I experienced frequent stuttering just navigating windows and switching between browser tabs, which is completely unacceptable when you're trying to get into a gaming session quickly. The real heartbreak comes when you try to actually play games on this machine. Because it relies heavily on integrated Radeon Vega 8 graphics, or an extremely weak entry-level dedicated card depending on the specific batch, my time testing it was mostly spent turning every setting to the lowest possible option. In titles like Cyberpunk 2077, or even moderately demanding games like Apex Legends, I was struggling to maintain a consistent 30 frames per second at 1080p, resulting in a choppy, frustrating experience. Thermals and noise are another area where this system falls incredibly short of expectations. The included fans are Molex powered, meaning they run at a loud 100% speed all the time, regardless of whether the system is idling or under heavy load. 6. OKAMUS Intel Core i7 Gaming PC. Moving up to the OKAMUS, the marketing immediately tries to pull you in with the prestigious Core i7 badge. Out of the box, the system feels a bit sturdier than the STGAubron, featuring a tempered glass side panel and a cleaner internal aesthetic. However, the moment I booted it up and checked the system specifications, the illusion of high-end performance completely shattered. That highly advertised Intel Core i7 is actually a processor from over a decade ago, commonly a 3rd or 4th generation chip rescued from an old office computer. While it has 4 cores and 8 threads, the ancient architecture heavily bottlenecks modern applications. When I was testing CPU-bound games like Valorant and Counter-Strike 2, the frame timings were wildly inconsistent, causing micro-stutters that ruined my competitive edge, despite the massive 32 GB of RAM they threw in to make the spec sheet look impressive. The graphics department is handled by a GTX 1660 Super, which is honestly a fantastic budget card, but it is entirely held back by the dinosaur of a CPU. When playing newer titles, the graphics card was constantly waiting for the processor to catch up, meaning I was leaving a significant amount of performance on the table. It is incredibly frustrating to know the GPU can handle medium to high settings at 1080p, but the system architecture restricts you to a much lower performance ceiling. Inside the chassis, the cooling solution is rudimentary at best, featuring a stock Intel cooler that sounds like a tiny jet engine when the CPU struggles to keep up with gaming loads. The proprietary motherboard and strange cable routing also make this system a nightmare to work inside. 5. STGAubron Core i7 Gaming PC. This particular configuration offers a noticeable leap in actual gaming capability. Unboxing this unit, I was pleasantly surprised by a slightly better build quality and an array of RGB accessories that, while still budget tier, actually function decently right out of the box. It definitely aims to give you a complete setup experience if you are starting from absolutely nothing. While it still uses an older generation Intel processor, the clock speeds are higher and it manages basic multitasking much better than the previous entries on this list. During my daily use testing, jumping between Discord, Spotify, and downloading games felt snappy and responsive. The inclusion of a 1TB solid-state drive significantly speeds up boot times and game load screens, which is a massive quality-of-life improvement over traditional hard drives. The real saving grace of this system is the inclusion of an NVIDIA RTX 2060 Super graphics card. This GPU legitimately transforms the experience, allowing me to finally turn on high settings at 1080p and even experiment with entry-level ray tracing. I was easily hitting over 60 frames per second in demanding AAA titles, and competitive shooters ran flawlessly with high refresh rates, making it a genuinely viable gaming machine. Cooling is handled by a series of brightly lit RGB fans that actually move a respectable amount of air through the case. While the fans aren't the quietest I have ever tested, they keep the older CPU and the RTX 2060 Super well within safe thermal limits during extended gaming marathons. I never experienced any thermal throttling, even after 3 hours of stress testing the system with heavy graphical loads. 4. NOVATECH Prism Intel Xeon Gaming PC. The NOVATECH takes a highly unconventional approach to budget gaming. When I first pulled this sleek, relatively understated tower out of its packaging, I appreciated the mature design aesthetic that doesn't scream gamer quite as loudly as the others. It feels robust and purposefully built, showing a level of assembly care that is often missing in this price bracket. The brain of this operation is an Intel Xeon processor, a chip originally designed for heavy-duty servers and workstations. I was incredibly curious to see how this would translate to gaming, and the results were surprisingly impressive. The high core and thread count meant that background tasks had absolutely zero impact on my gameplay, making it an excellent choice for gamers who also want to dabble in streaming or video editing without dropping frame rates. Paired with a solid mid-range graphics card, the gaming performance is incredibly stable. Instead of wild frame rate peaks and valleys, the Xeon processor feeds the GPU at a highly consistent rate, resulting in smooth frame pacing. I tested heavily populated multiplayer games where CPU usage normally spikes, and the NOVATECH Prism handled the chaos without breaking a sweat, maintaining a rock-solid 1080p experience. Because server processors are designed to run 24/7 under heavy loads, NOVATECH equipped this system with a surprisingly robust cooling setup. The tower runs incredibly quiet, and the airflow is intelligently routed to keep the VRMs and the graphics card chilled. I was thoroughly impressed by how silent my recording space remained, even when pushing the system through artificial benchmarking loops. The NOVATECH Prism is the sleeper hit of this list, offering phenomenal multi-core performance and reliable gaming capabilities for under $1,000. 3. Skytech Ryzen 5 Nebula Gaming PC. This is where we transition into truly modern, premium-feeling hardware. The Nebula case is absolutely gorgeous, featuring a high airflow mesh front panel and beautifully diffused ARGB fans that you can easily customize. Right away, you can tell Skytech puts serious thought into their component selection and cable management, as the interior looks completely pristine. Powering this rig is a modern AMD Ryzen 5 processor, which is an absolute powerhouse for both gaming and general productivity. The leap in architecture means that everyday tasks are lightning fast, and the system boots up in a matter of seconds. I never felt any hesitation from the operating system, and the modern AM4 platform provides a massive runway for future CPU upgrades when you eventually want more power. Gaming on the Nebula is an absolute joy, thanks to the pairing of the Ryzen processor with a modern NVIDIA RTX graphics card. I was easily pushing well over 100 frames per second on high settings in Call of Duty Warzone, and single-player adventures looked stunning with DLSS enabled. It effortlessly bridges the gap between high-fidelity 1080p gaming and entry-level 1440p performance, making every game I threw at it look spectacular. Skytech's commitment to cooling is evident the moment you stress the system. The mesh front panel allows the intake fans to pull in massive amounts of fresh air, keeping the internal temperatures incredibly low. The fans are connected to a proper fan controller, meaning they spin down to a whisper when you're just browsing the web, and only ramp up gracefully when you launch a demanding game. The Skytech Nebula represents a massive turning point in our list, offering all brand new current generation parts with zero compromises. 2. AVGPC AMD Ryzen 5 5600X Gaming PC. The AVGPC prioritizes raw performance and thermals above all else. Out of the box, It features a striking, aggressive design with a massive heat pipe air cooler proudly displayed through the tempered glass. The build quality is incredibly rigid, and the attention to detail in the hidden cable routing channels is something I usually only see in custom builds that cost twice as much. The Ryzen 5 5600X is arguably one of the best gaming processors ever made, and having it in a sub-$1,000 pre-built is a massive win. During my synthetic benchmarking and real-world testing, this CPU effortlessly chewed through everything I threw at it. Whether I was unpacking large game files, running Discord streams, or heavily multitasking, the 5600X maintained incredibly high boost clocks without any signs of slowing down. When it comes to pushing pixels, this rig does not disappoint in the slightest. The dedicated graphics card works in perfect harmony with the CPU, ensuring that neither component is bottlenecking the other. I enjoyed buttery smooth, tear-free gaming at ultra settings in modern competitive titles, and it handled the demanding lighting effects of modern AA engines with remarkable grace. What truly sets the AVGPC apart is the inclusion of a massive aftermarket tower cooler for the processor. While most budget pre-builts skimp on CPU cooling, this massive heat pipe setup keeps the Ryzen chip icy cold, allowing it to sustain its maximum boost frequencies indefinitely. The resulting acoustic profile is incredible. It is genuinely one of the quietest gaming PCs I have ever tested under full graphical load. If you are a performance purist who wants the best possible frame rates and thermal headroom for your budget, the AVGPC is an absolute triumph. 1. iBUYPOWER Ryzen 5 Gaming PC. From the moment you unbox this masterpiece, it screams premium quality. The chassis is a beautiful blend of minimalist design and tasteful RGB accents, and the inclusion of high-quality foam packaging ensures it arrives in pristine condition. iBUYPOWER also includes a genuinely usable gaming keyboard and mouse, completing the ultimate out-of-the-box experience. At the heart of this champion is a current-generation Ryzen 5 processor, paired with blazing fast system memory. The system responsiveness is unmatched by anything else on this list. Applications snap open instantly, and the system handles heavy multi-monitor setups with absolute ease. iBUYPOWER uses a highly reputable motherboard that allows for easy BIOS updates and comprehensive control over your system's performance profiles. In the gaming arena, this machine is an absolute monster. Equipped with the latest generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, it doesn't just play games at 1080p. It absolutely dominates them and comfortably pushes into high refresh rate 1440p territory. I was genuinely blown away by the performance in the latest, heavily demanding titles, where I could leave ray tracing turned on without completely sacrificing my frame rates, thanks to advanced DLSS support. The thermal design is masterfully executed, utilizing a spacious interior and highly optimized airflow paths. Even during a punishing 4-hour stress test, both the CPU and GPU temperatures remained well below thermal limits, and the system acoustics remained remarkably pleasant. The neat, custom-length cables not only look fantastic, but also prevent any air blockages, ensuring that cool air reaches your components precisely where it is needed.